Hi, I'm Stuart and welcome to SIRENNET Television. Now we're going to be taking a look at, well, over the last couple of days I've been taking a look at the guys at StarCar building a brand new Dodge Charger. The vehicle itself is going to be used in a traffic enforcement application. A variety of different equipment is going to be used in this vehicle. We've got equipment from Whelen, we've got equipment from Feniex, we've got equipment from SoundOff, we've got equipment from Satina, and we've got equipment from ADAC. We'll throw in some Havas as well, and of course some Santa Cruz gun locks and some Satina bracketry to mount those gun locks. But let's go and start at the beginning right now. So Austin, how's it going on your side?
Just having a ball. Finishing up, or trying to finish up, wiring all of our lights and all the equipment so it does what we want it to do.
This customers were using some equipment obviously from some other vehicles they've had in the past.
Yes, this is one of those times where you get to put everything back together after you just took it all apart. Put it in a different car.
So Danny, you're working on the gun rack?
Yeah, I need to adjust it so that they can fit their rifle and their shotgun in there. What do you think of this, Stuart?
That looks pretty good. You got to get in there now and line it up.
Yeah, I think so.
Are you going to leave it at that angle, or are you going to try and pull it forward?
Well, they didn't get a recess panel, so I guess I could pull it forward a little bit, maybe.
So Danny, on this particular vehicle, the client is wanting to have a spotlight mounted here in conjunction with the ghost light. I guess the reasoning behind that is?
It's more like an alley light that they're going to have a button on the keypad that they can turn it on and off.
All right. And again, that gives them side lighting.
Yeah, or if they're, loading someone in the back, maybe they turn it on.
All right, so they can see what's happening.
Yeah.
But essentially, again, I remember this from days of old, but basically it allows them to keep the vehicle slick top at the same time, have good side lighting when they come up on a scene or an area that they need to illuminate.
Yeah.
Okay. So Danny, you're running in all the different wiring now for the different aspects as far as siren controller, radio communications.
Yep, I'm making all the connections up here.
Right. How long does that roughly take you?
Probably takes a couple hours or
Couple of
so.
hours?
Yeah. Alright, make sure you measure it.
Well, there you have it. A great build by the gang over here at StarCar. It is, of course, a 2018 Dodge Charger going into service here in the Pacific Northwest. Going to be used by a traffic team. Very, very nice setup, I must say. Now, some of the equipment has had the opportunity of being reused from a different vehicle, and that again comes back to this whole thing about it's important, if you can reuse gear, go right ahead and do it. But also, they threw in some brand new stuff as well from a variety of different manufacturers, and that's important as well because it's available on SIRENNET. So again, a shout out to all the gang at StarCar. Thanks a million for letting us come over and film. I'm Stuart, and as always, thanks for watching SIRENNET Television.